Welcome back. So I'm having a problem with this trailer's tire, the spare for the trailer, always being mostly flat. And as you can see, we've got at least one leak on a bead, maybe one over there. Before you go and have this thing all dismounted or do it yourself, here's a little hack you can try. And sometimes it works. Of course, you want to be careful and not hit your rim. Now let's see if that one's still leaking, and it could be. I did one a while ago, took 3 hits to get it to stop leaking, but then it sealed up. So we are still leaking right there. Shot that one into orbit, didn't we? Now, this doesn't always work, especially if the tire went low and there's something in here, you know, a piece of grass or something. We'll give it one more try, and if that doesn't fix it, we'll break it down. I don't see any bubbles. Do you guys? Thanks for watching.